Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of For the Thrill Sports Cards and Memorabilia. My name is Braden and this is
Kylie.
And today we're doing something special. We're going to do something called a daddy-daughter pack battle. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so we're doing a daddy-daughter pack battle.
Yeah, we're doing a daddy-daughter pack battle.
Yep, very nice. And we're going to be opening up some of the Topps Series 2. We got a regular pack and some hanger boxes. So let's go ahead and get into this. Which one do you want? Which side do you want? That side? Okay.
I'll do this.
We'll pull these around and we're going to start off. Who do you want to go first? Daddy or Kylie?
Me.
Okay. Okay, let me help you learn how to open it. So you got this sleeve here. And you pull.
I know.
Pull, okay?
I know. I did this before.
Alright.
Me too.
Oh. Need a little help?
Yeah.
Okay. Just pull like that. Alright, she's only 6, so I'm gonna have to be reading everything, but I'm gonna have some fun. Oh, look at that. You got a special card in here. Okay.
I hold
Okay.
that.
So we first got Matt Carpenter, Kyle Freeland, Scott Kingerly, Nick Ahmed. We got Alex Wood, Ryan Zimmerman. We've got Josh Hader. We've got Andrew McCutcheon, James McCann. And then we got a rookie card of Alex Kirilloff and a Mike Trout. And then Kyle Schwarber, Yesue Kikuchi, Xander Bogaerts, Trevor Rosenthal, and Alex Cobb. And we're gonna go ahead and sleeve up the rookie card. And why not sleeve up that Mike Trout?
Right here.
No. Right team, wrong player. Ooh, yeah. You think that one's pretty?
No, I think this one's pretty.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Let's pull it back. Let's put it with these ones here. You like that one?
Okay.
Okay.
Macy, you can't be in the video.
Okay. All right. Now let's go ahead. I'll get into mine. Oh, I don't get that filler card. Oh no. Okay. So I got Stefan Piscotty,
Ooh, that one's pretty.
Steven Strasburg,
That one's pretty too.
DJ LeMahieu,
That one's pretty too.
Alec Mills,
That one looks like a unicorn.
Walker Buehler. You're silly. The San
That one
Diego
looks like
Padres.
a unicorn. That one looks like a unicorn.
Stephen Floro, Rafael Montero,
Pretty.
Eddie Rosario, and then we've got a blue of Luis Campesano. That's a rookie card. Set that aside to be sleeved. Then we got the Nate Pearson, rookie of the 65 style there. And then we've got Kevin Kramer, Ty Buttery, Tommy LaStella, Willie Castro, and a Noah Syndergaard.
Yeah.
Alright. So that's going to do it for the packs there. Let me get my rookie sleeve up there. Okay. Oh, we're playing games with the thing there.
Never did.
Alright, and then we're going to get into the Series 2 hot anchor boxes. There are 2 exclusive Royal Blue
Can
base
I
parallel
do it
cards.
first?
And there's 67 cards per box.
Can I do it
Yep,
first?
you're going to go first again. So, let's get that cut there to get it started.
Somebody made a mentor crust.
Okay, guys. Same thing to open it.
Wow.
Same thing to open it. Want to try opening it? You just pull that on the back, and I'll hold it here. There you go. There you go.
2. Wow. On a card.
Okay.
Can I hold them? I promise I'll be extra careful.
Okay, hold on.
I promise I'll be extra.
Gregory Polanco.
Somebody.
We got Cleveland Indians, Seattle Mariners, Boston Red Sox, Oakland Athletics, Toronto Blue Jays, and then we flip that around. Okay, hold it. You got Mitch Garver, Andre Scrub, Eugenio Suarez, Tyler O'Neill, Edwin Encarnacion, Dakota Hudson, Christian Vasquez, Austin Nola, Mark Malancone, and then, oh, he's upside down, Yosmani Grandal, Adam Eaton, Nicky Lopez, Adrian Morjon, Future Stars, Miguel Sano, and a rookie of Daz Cameron.
Sleeve them up. Sleeve
We will
them
in a minute.
up.
Okay,
And
and then
sleeve
Okay, come here.
them up.
come here, hold it. Okay, and then we got Luis Urias, Jose Garcia, Chad Wallett. Oh, let's flip it over. Okay, hold it. We got Sam Huff. Oh my goodness, you got a memorabilia card, Major League memorabilia to Brian Hayes. That's a piece of his jersey on there. Oh yeah, gotta touch it. Okay. Very nice. Then we got George Polanco, or Jorge Polanco, I should say. A Barry Larkin. A Dylan Carlson. Ryan Mountcastle. Luis Garcia. Kyle Lewis. Shane Bieber. And then we got Anthony.
Nice. Nicey.
Okay, shh. Then we got Anthony Descalfani and Tucker Davidson.
Are those
All right.
rookies?
No, that one's a rookie. Yeah. Those are all just special cards. Then we got Nick Markakis, Kevin Newman, Carson Kelly, JT Real Muto Real Muto. Chris Bryant. He plays for the Cubs. Clint Frazier. Nathan Eovaldi. Brandon Belt. Yerman Marquez. T1 Walker. CJ Crone. Victor Robles. Lance McCullers Jr. Billy Hamilton. Austin Barnes. Mike Brissau. Pablo Lopez. Josh Fleming. Hey, please don't do that, silly girl. Ben Gamble. And then we got Adonis Medina. And the rest are this. We got Shopping Cart Surf. A home run celebration in aisle 23. Rio Ruiz. Antonio.
Pretty.
You like that one?
Yeah, I want the one.
Yeah, I'll save this off to the side for your personal collection.
Mine?
Yep. Rio Ruiz, Antonio Senzatella, Tom Hatch,
I think
Alex
this one's
Kirilloff.
pretty.
I'll put that there.
That one's pretty.
Carl Edwards Jr., Edwin Diaz. Gloves are hats. Outfielders rock double hats. And Zach Plesak.
Ooh,
right.
are they special? Are those cards really special? Or?
These are just your regular base cards. So we'll set that aside for your personal collection. Let's sleeve up some of these nicer cards. Especially this guy right here. Have a you're showing that one off? Yeah, I do not have a top loader
Cute little
for that guy
mansion car.
on me. So one like that, get the top loader later.
I got
Let's see, we'll get some of the
this.
let's see. Do you and we'll sleeve up these guys. Alright, sorry about this. This is her first time opening cards, so this is gonna be fun. She's showing off stuff. Let's leave these up real fast. Unless I get a memorabilia or an autograph, I think she's gonna win this pack battle. What do you think, kid?
I'm gonna win.
You think you're gonna win it? Oh, wow, kid. Wow. And most of these I will be sleeving off camera as well.
I want to
hold
show
those there.
these cards. I want to show this back.
Oh, we're gonna show cards at the end. So let me go ahead and get into mine. You really like that one, huh?
Memorability.
Memorability? Oh, you did get a memorabilia card.
Okay.
You did. That one has the jersey on it?
Ooh, I want to do it.
Oh, you want to help me open this one? Fold that.
Hey, I can say your cards are pretty too. If I like them.
Yep.
I want to show all the cards at the end.
Hold that up. Okay. So I got Zach Birdie, Tucker Davidson, Mark Matthias, Jojo Romero, Chris Davis, Brett Booker, Tanner Hook. Flip that around. Then we got Miguel Ujiri, Ryan Presley, Jared Dyson. Dyson. David Price.
David Price.
Edwin Rios, Future Stars.
Evan Rio.
Keston Yura.
Destin Rio.
You're being silly, kid. Jonah Hain. Mitch Garver. Andre Scrub. Eugenio Suarez. Tyler O'Neill. Future Stars of Adrian Morizon. Miguel Sano. Daz Cameron. Luis Urias. Chad Wallach. Jose Garcia. And then we've got Sam Huff. Kyle Schwarber. We'll go here. We got Yosel Kikuchi. There we go. And then I've got a Nolan Arenado Topps Chrome. I love the Chrome. Get that later. Sake of just getting through this. Got the rookie of Trevor Rogers. And we got Whit Merrifield of the top 70th. Sorry. Then we got George Springer, Francisco Lindor, another Nolan Arenado, Jesus Luzardo, Yadier Molina, Mike Soroka, and Shinsucho. Hey. I don't know. I think you ran away with this one.
Yeah, I did.
I think you ran away with this one, kid. There's Zach Greinke, Asubar Cabrera, Hunter Dozier.
Hola, Palo.
And we got Dylan Cease,
Jorge
Jorge Polanco, Dean Kramer, Luis Ares. And we got Andy Young, David Fletcher, Jake Lamb, Jeff McNeil, Jamani Jones.
Jammy Notes.
Sweet kid. Mike Mostica.
No copies.
Mostakas. Sorry, I'm having a hard time seeing these. Andrew Miller. Dallas Cucho. J.B. Crawford. Jackie Bradley Jr. Danielson. Hey, chill, kid. Danielson Lamet. Jose Iglesias.
Down your horse.
And then we got Jason Castro. The sideways. Enrique Hernandez. Garrett Cooper. Brett Phillips. Jeff Samarziza. Hold Me Back, Bro. Walk Off Hijinks. Fish Out of Water.
Fishy.
Marlin Shows Hops.
Fish.
And then we have Kwang Hyun Kim. Southside Stretch. Four baggers. Giancarlo Stanton. And Franmil Arrayas. Okay, kid. I'm gonna bag up some of my stuff. We'll do some of the nicer stuff. I really didn't have anything. Yeah, kid, like, you ran away with this one. Okay, I want you to pick 5 of these cards. Be careful with them. And make sure you pick that one that's got the jersey on it, because that's your best card.
My best card.
Yeah. I want you to pick. I want you to pick 4 of them.
Jamin Louie.
Or I'll help you pick the 4.
Carlin Turdy. Nender Nessie. Turdy Nardy. Turdy! I like the noise.
Alright. So. Okay, let me help you. Let's look at your cards.
Okay, let me
Okay,
do
so
some.
which ones do you like? So that's a good one right there.
Let me pick.
That one's okay. I want you to pick the next 2. So you have that one and that one. You want this one? Well, you can pick one more.
Just choose it.
Well, you have this guy.
I want this one.
You want that one? Okay. Okay, so Kylie.
Hey, let me show them all.
Yep, I will.
Let me.
Kylie. Okay, come here. Hold them from the sides. So Kylie decided to choose her. Here, I gotta pull it back so people can see. Hold it up a little bit. So Kylie chose Mike Trout, Dylan Carlson, the Ryan Mountcastle, and of course, the rookie materials of Cabrian Hayes. I did not have such good luck. So, my choices are Whit Merrifield, Luis Camposano, Trevor Rogers, and kid Nolan Arenado. Alright, so those are our choices. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this episode. Go ahead and leave a comment below of who you think won. We're going to tally up votes. Just have fun with this. I'm pretty sure I know who won. Obviously with the material, the memorabilia poll, the relic poll. Yeah, that's hard to beat. But, you know, thank you guys for watching. I do enjoy the support.
And subscribe for this video.
Well, so go ahead and like this video. subscribe to this channel. Hit that bell for notifications. And guys, remember to stay amazing. Live life to the fullest. Be true to yourself. And we'll see you guys next time.